Experiencing voicemail problems on your US mobile phone can be frustrating. This section will guide you through the initial steps to ensure your voicemail is correctly set up and that you receive notifications. First, verify that your voicemail is activated by dialing 86 or using your carrier's app. For Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, check their respective visual voicemail apps. Next, confirm notification settings within your phone's settings and the voicemail app. Ensure the app can send alerts. Ensure cellular data is enabled and that the app has permission to send alerts. This is crucial for voicemail functionality. Android users should check Firebase Cloud Messaging settings, which handle push notifications from the carrier's server. iOS users should verify that Apple's push notification service is active for receiving voicemail alerts. For delayed notifications, clear the app cache. This can often fix issues caused by stored data conflicts. Carrier updates are crucial. Make sure your visual voicemail app is up to date, as Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile regularly release fixes for transcription and notification issues. Notably, a late 2023 issue with AT&T on iOS was resolved by updating to iOS 17.1, which patched notification problems. With voicemail increasingly integrating with RCS messaging, staying updated ensures seamless functionality. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your voicemail issues, resetting your voicemail system might be necessary. Start with a soft reset by clearing the app cache. If the problem persists, a hard reset may be required, potentially involving contacting your carrier to reprovision your voicemail box. Distinguish between device-specific issues and network-related problems. Moving forward, the voicemail landscape is rapidly evolving towards AI integration. By 2024, a significant portion of U.S. carriers offer AI-powered voicemail, providing features like auto-generated summaries and smart replies. These features can drastically reduce the time spent managing voicemails manually. Also, expect voicemail to increasingly merge with unified messaging apps, such as Google's Messages or Samsung's, enabling seamless access across multiple devices. With security enhancements like end-to-end encryption and biometric access becoming more common, staying current with these trends will help ensure a smoother voicemail experience. Be aware, though, that while traditional voicemail use may decline, AI-enhanced features promise to keep some form of voicemail relevant for years to come.